Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion and let me share with you how to enable the Nightlight or Eye Comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the display. Let's tap on it. Now we have to localize this option, Nightlight. So this is the eye comfort mode in this device. So we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So now we have to enter the Nightlight to customize it, and as you can see we've got this intensity switcher, thanks to which we can change the color, make it more vibrant or cooler. By going to the left you can make it cooler and to the right warmer. It's totally up to you which mode is better for you. You can also schedule that feature, so none is the manual option. You can turn it on custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly, or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises, or it is location based. So this is the whole customization of the Nightlight, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and now we have to find the Nightlight icon, which is right here. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.